The AI helped me make this song in less than 5 minutes.
Yeah, we're here to hypnotize. Move your body, feel the beat. The night is ours, we can't be beat.
The song you just heard was made by Mureka, an AI music generation platform that offers all the features you might expect, plus more, including selling your generated tracks. Let's begin with the basics. In its simplest form, like all AI music generators, Mureka can create songs based on prompts. Just describe what your song would be about and hit the create button. Describing the song will help the AI understand the context and create lyrics that match your desired topic as much as possible. Okay, let's now listen to one of the two songs that Mureka created.
Oh, I've been through some shit in my time. Sometimes I feel like I can't take it anymore. The darkness growing inside of me.
Certainly a dance pop song with female vocals with lots of beats. Nice. However, this approach is a gamble as there is no guarantee that the generated lyrics or music style would be of your liking. So, what to do? Well, it's a matter of using your own lyrics. That's where the advanced mode comes in. Here, you can start by either entering your own lyrics or asking the AI to generate them for you. If you want Mureka to generate the lyrics, you must give your song a title to provide some context. Then, click this button that commands the AI to create the lyrics and song structure. Okay, here are the lyrics that it generated. You can modify them if you want, or even adjust the song's structure. But honestly, in most cases, I prefer to create the lyrics with ChatGPT using a custom-made prompt and then paste ChatGPT's output back to Mureka. You can find my custom prompt in the video's description. So, I'll enter the prompt and adjust whatever is in brackets. I'll ask for a song about a father's struggles and hardships. I'll ask for a song similar to Lynyrd Skynyrd's Simple Man. And then I'll hit Generate. ChatGPT returned the structure as well as the lyrics of the song. I'll now copy and paste it to Mureka. I'll hit the create button and after a few seconds the song's ready. Let's listen to it.
Rise with the sun, ready for the day. Got my sons to guide, shown the way.
I rise with the sun, ready for the day.
Well, that's not Lynyrd Skynyrd style for sure. This is because I didn't specify the style I wanted for the song to the AI. Thankfully, I can further control how my song sounds by adjusting several parameters. I'll start with the specific style feature. In this field, you can insert any music clip from YouTube as a reference, and Mureka will try to replicate the style of the YouTube song as closely as possible to match the video you shared. To demonstrate this, I'll import Simple Man by Lynyrd Skynyrd. Now, Mureka wants me to enter the melody's name, genre, and mood. Next, I have to highlight a 30-second section that I would like the final output to match. As you can see, the reference song has been added to the list. I'll now click the Use button. I'm curious to hear what Mureka will create.
I rise with the sun, ready for the day. Got my sons to guide me, show him the way. Life ain't easy, but I stay strong.
I've carried on this long.
It's kind of close to the original song, but obviously it can't be exactly the same due to copyright issues. The vocals option can be combined with the style above, allowing you to choose from a list of singers to perform your song. Currently, there are only a handful of available voices, but after some experimentation, I found that each voice can adjust its tone to match the mood and type of your song. Frankly, I think they should add more voices to the list, such as bass-heavy ones, similar to Lynyrd Skynyrd, to give users more options to match their preferred style. Thankfully, as far as I know, Mureka plans to add more voices to this list in the future. If you don't want to use a pre-existing style as a reference, you can instead provide keywords describing the desired output. I suggest to mention the genre, the instruments, and the style of the song. This is similar to using Mureka's basic mode, but allows you to supply your own custom lyrics. The song's ready, so let's listen to it.
Ready for the day, got my sons to guide.
Essentially, this approach is my favorite one, as I have found that it gives more creative and better sounding results.
For my boys, I've carried on this long. Hands are worn, but my heart's still true. Everything I do for you. The road is tough, but I don't bend. For my sons, I'll fight till the very end.
Finally, there is a feature called Melody that can turn your humming into a full song. So suppose you've got a tune in mind, you can record yourself singing it, and Mureka will attempt to make a complete song out of it. When I tried this out, I couldn't really tell if Mureka was actually using the tune I recorded. In any case, this feature is still in beta, so it will probably get better in time. There are also some additional minor customization options. For instance, you can also ask the AI to regenerate a specific part of your song, or even extend it by adding additional lyrics to it. I'm not gonna show you this functionality in this video, but you can experiment with it yourself. And get ready for this. When you are done, you can obviously download the song, or even better, make some money by selling it. The process is super simple. I'll show you. You just click this button, tweak the song's genre and mood if needed, and then hit the Apply to Sell button. When your application is confirmed, your song is added to Mureka's store and then can be purchased by anyone for commercial use. Nice, isn't it? All in all, Mureka is a great tool to use if you are into music generation, but with AI you can create much more, like videos or images. So, if you want to create awesome images for free, do not miss the video shown on your screen. Till the next time, see you!